Students, next we are going to see about formation of potassium chloride. Already we have seen the formation of electronic configuration in potassium and chloride. Now we are going to see the combinations of potassium and chloride. Okay. Now see that K and there is one dot is presented. The dot indicates that the remaining one of last cell. Is it right? In the same way, already we have written like 2, 8, 8, 1 is known as a potassium. In the same way, last cell it occupied only one electron. That one dot indicates that one electron. In the same way, chlorine. See that how many dot is there? 7 dot is there. In the last cell, how many electrons will be presented? 7 electrons will be presented. Yes, right. How will you differentiate? 2, 8, 7. So totally chlorine occupies 17 atoms. Nice. Now, how will you combine the potassium and chlorine? See that when K donate one electron to the chlorine, it will form as an acted form. 2, 8, 8. When chlorine gets that excess of 1 electrons, it will be act as an acted. 2, 8, 8. In the same way, when the electrons are transferring here and there, when the electronics are transferring here and there, it's known as an ionic compound. It's known as an ionic compound. A compound formed by the transfer of electron from a metal to the non-metal. It's known as an ionic compound. Once again, what's ionic compound? A compound formed by the transfer of electron from a metal and a non-metal. It's known as an ionic compound. In the same way, here potassium and chloride are combined as a compound to give potassium chloride. Okay, next see the calcium. Calcium, what's the calcium atomic number? Okay, right, 20. Then separate the electronic configuration of calcium. 2, 8, 8, 2. It gives calcium 2 plus to form an acted rule. Then 2 electron is emitted. Okay. In the same way, chlorine. Already we have seen that chlorine. Chlorine has how many atomic number? 17. Here 2, 8, 7 plus 1 electron. Then it forms as an acted. 2, 8, 8. Okay, right. From that, ionic compound will be formed. How the ionic compound of calcium and chlorine will be formed here? Here see that 2 calcium 2 plus chlorine molecules gives calcium chloride as a result. When calcium plus chloride formed as an ionic compound to form a calcium chloride. Okay, thank you.